What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV. Today we're going to take a look at gardens by the bay in the Marina District of Singapore. Now, this area is part of Singapore's government plan to turn Singapore from a garden city to a city in a garden. That's the stated aim, enhancing greenery and flora in the city, and this area right here is leading the charge here. You've got the super tree grove, you've got the rainforest clouds. You've got so many different gardens in this particular area. You're going to want to spend a lot of time just checking it out and relaxing. Bring the whole family. If you guys enjoy videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to Island Hopper TV. Sit back and enjoy the virtual tour of the gardens by the bay in Singapore. South America. Definitely a nice breeze, relaxing. Citrus, smells like citrus. What's over here? Let's see what's over here. Nice trees. Oh, I'm sorry.